Coba saklaika TSF rengserne rogno tui thungmani tabok Tripura Board of Secondary Education tui simia haste hapang simia Government of India bahanyo aboni barja matinai tamhimba CBSE bahanyo o TBSE no kosolonyo Roman script by question paper siya kare Bangla script by yapri rekha English porinai rogno obo rengserne rogni kinangno lama mathagi remani kare ite mungsaya abogai hasteni kabangkuk borno jungbai tongo hasteni kabangkuk porinai rogno jungbai tongo jung buskangni chobao jotono thansa ngai o thansani kaplai bongnai hino tini hojagroi kok saka TSF Kendriya Bidyalay buskango dera mungo kalaijak rengsirnai rokno buskango tui tamni himba madhyamik amjuk mungo porikha asuna thangai Roman script by question ongkhormani bai borok answer roi manbaiya student rok ni thinangna wansugoi buskangni chobao joto thansa tongnani kok saka TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu Jamatia tongkhatai TSF ni juda juda adong rok buskangni salo chobao ongkhonai afro tumungno hapangni dera mung khangke aboni barja haste hapang tei kedor hapang ungnai hinai choba kotor ni khorang tisaka TSF.
Thank you, media friends. Nirok Sikana. And we also got to know me afro class 10 ni board exam. Kok broke paper tong mani. TSF kudung mas sama cini movement. Cini students rock Roman script by mapore tung mas witung. Thangnai rogo busung memorandum. Governor no 2-3 times summit kaika. Government of Tripura no roka. Sung strike bu call kaika. CBSE rok borok kaise letter issue khaika je English te Bengali script by ne question paper set khaija nai me apro sung sigi makha kok borok paper was only set in Bengali script tini oro KB school ILS ganani more than 80 plus student Sinod school ni borok suimalia. Why? Bengali script by question paper set in. Who will be responsible for this? Is it Government of Tripura, Government of India, or CBSE board? Amutin question dong. Tabok, jeng kabang memorandum roka. Dinero 80 plus students ini loge basa jak. We believe Tripura haste ganangnya. Sini joto student tongai participate kaigana. Guardians rok basa jak. Government of Tripura, we want. This is our final warning. We will mobilize the state. So mobilize Kaironai. But the thing is, tinoro student basaka. Government of Tripura sini student on the future by thungaglak. Government of India CBSE borok thungaglak. So borok final warning rogo. So te memorandum roya. We will never give a memorandum again. This will be our final call. So state no mobilize Kainai. Public no appeal khainai nirok tini students ani proposal nukong ani busa ani jaiti gu sikre ne nirok movement of phayang ke sin movement success nglak thangnai strike ni go busung case side dongo who is standing with us no one tin charta case we are ready to fight tabuk bun angke chanai sin organization so sin bai khaya for our students, for our dear students, I really thank to them and their parents. Borok sono call up khaige ano personally phone kaiga me apron simi bonbe ang tinoro phai borok bai kok sapaika tini boron competitive exam lai thang hanai sung sring tongnai haya sung immediately sung declare khainai nirong ni bising tini sung saklai nai sung tuma action na nai but I strongly believe sung Tripura haste no sung mobilize khainai that time sung responsible nglak public tongo students tongo khorang ti sajak nai Tripura haste ganangani nung let it be nirok kabama political party kabama organization ungthang NGO tinai tang some ground fight ma khainai not in social media we should be fighter in reality ground some fight khainai TSF is ready students in okolo dongo parents tongo TSF is ready to fight we will mobilize the state omon sin message on government of Tripura nirok ni bagai will try our best. Okay, TSF, this is TSF, Tripura Student Federation. Okay, one of the oldest student organization of the indigenous community. Okay, and I am the General Secretary, Hamalu Jamatia. Okay, Tabok, so within few days, we'll go for a bigger movement. Nirong the participation. Nirong rogon tugoy, tongkang nirong makom. So Tabok nirong bay orok fight na. Now let me tell you one thing. Paksa parents kirizaga case rok masagani Ta candidate जों दङ आं दङ जों थांनायखौबो जों स्ट्राइकआव गासिबो निरन थाने मुसा फाइला ओके अमनिराव बुसिदि बाक्सा गिरि जागाय मानो I know we should not be cowards okay we should be fighters so ang niron no koinai so within few days we will do a press conference and declare niron support na even boys especially okay we should fight I say cowards never win fighter win so we should understand this okay asun to guardian rongo teusa hambai okay guardian nirong ban saka only two students contact Synod and Standard English School. I guess Synod ni students from Standard English School for Kisangwa because it was only till class 8. You know what I'm saying? Yes. See.